Welcome everybody to Mexico. So we made a 4-hour trip in the car across the border to Rocky Point. It's very bright, Mexico. And just look at that view alone is like, what? So as you can see, I'm in my suit. I'm ready to hit the beach. Mom is changing. We're just here to like totally be beach bums and hang out and just have a good time. So hopefully we get good footage along the way, but I'm excited. This is the first beach I'm seeing in like, I think a year, over a year. It's been a while. So we're gonna head down and have a good time.
Nothing that we have to worry about. We get a chair and spend the whole fucking day. This feels amazing.
Yeah, because it's cute and it's genuine. Está llorando, Mommy. We went for a dip in the water for like 20 minutes and we've been just hanging out in our lounge chairs. Your head, Mom's airing out her cover up. But the sunset is like incredible. The water is incredible. There's a nice breeze coming through, which is why I think you can't hear me. I was reading my book. Shout out to Elizabeth Kostova for writing good stuff. And whatever, Kostova, whichever it is, you know who you are.
Watch her watch this video.
And we're just hanging out and enjoying the weather.
It's not Kostova, it's Kostova.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
We're just enjoying the weather. Then we're gonna go eat and just hang out, probably sit on the balcony and enjoy the breeze a little bit. So it's good. We're having a good time. Tomorrow there'll be more content because we're not just gonna be on the beach all day. So we're off to dinner. Finally, we're starving. We haven't eaten since breakfast.
You had lunch.
I know. I keep forgetting. We totally had McDonald's on the road, but like it wasn't. We didn't have a full meal. We shared one, and you know we've been active, so we're hungry. Now we're gonna get in the car and go have some dinner. It's currently 7 a.m. in Mexico, and I am awake when I do not want to be, but not entirely mad about it since the view is kind of nice. Don't make fun of me. I just woke up a little while ago, but we are day 2 in Mexico. It's a little after 7 a.m. Breakfast starts at 8, so we're gonna eat something and then head to the beach. There's a lot of activities to do. There's like jet skiing and stuff like that, so we might see if that's a possibility to do. But I think for at least today, we just want to chill out on the beach and have a good time. Updates to come after I get some coffee. So we're finally on our way to the beach. We're ready. We got suits and towels and books.
And no phone.
Literally nothing else.
No phone.
So here we go. So we went to the beach for like, yeah. I didn't actually film anything on the beach because I forgot.
Crystal walked the miles of the water.
And I was, yeah, the tide is so far out and like, it's crazy to get actually in the water, but once you are, it's cool. So we're in the pool, we're just having fun. It's a little cold, colder than the water at the beach, but it's still fun. You can see the beach.
Who wants to buy that apartment right there?
Yep, there's an apartment for sale that my mom has been eyeing, and we can see it from here, so we're kind of like scoping it out a little bit, but also enjoying our time. So just wanted to give you guys an update. All this vlog is just updates. So we did beach, and then we did pool, and then we did beach again, and then we went back to the room, hung out, had some snacks. And now we're going to El Malecón to see some shopping, some restaurants, some drinks, because one margarita at noon is not enough. And we're just gonna have a good time. I think this is an area that has like a giant sign of like where you are. I want to take a picture of it. This is like Peñasco.
Puerto Peñasco.
So it says El something. I'm pretty sure it's the Peñasco one.
It might say El Malecón.
No, it doesn't. I saw it online.
Okay.
It's something with a P. And I was like, oh, I could sit on that one. It's like big letters. I'm excited. So what just happened? Tell the people.
We just walked through 3 to 4 blocks of stores smooshed together from curb to storefront. Merchandise hanging and being accosted by every single vendor. But a simple no gracias and a thank you was the easiest way to get through, except for the one guy who said he showed me how to waste my money. That was the best pitch. I actually want to buy from him now. But now we're on the Malecón. There's tons of restaurants and amazing views. And we're going to try to like hook up with some Americans to walk back to the parking lot.
Okay, I'm too tired to actually face the camera, so we're gonna watch. Don't laugh at me. We're
gonna watch Hocus Pocus because we were too lazy after dinner to go down to the hot tub. So yeah, Day 3. You sound like you're stranded at sea.
Still stuck in Mexico.
Day 3. No sign of civilization yet. Day 3. No water. No ice cream.
Day 3, they haven't noticed that I've infiltrated their border.
They haven't noticed we're not Mexican.
But it's been a very chillaxed morning so far. It's 11:30. We had breakfast at Max's Cafe, which is pretty good. Now we're just driving around, seeing what's around town. We found this little
Other town?
yeah, it's like all dirt roads and hello. Yeah, crazy drivers here. Probably American.
Think they own everything. Probably American.
Update, friends, fans, and family. We're gonna stop at the hand gliding place and take Crystal. Oh look, I don't think they go very far. And see if Crystal can go. I don't know if that was a hand gliding or what it was.
Why are we going?
Because you want to do something.